Remember those kindergarten tales where keeping garlic on the bed would scare off vampires and keep them at bay, or when the fairy godmother would hand over some money in exchange of garlic? Well, as we grew up, we realized that these fancy tales were just to keep us entertained and engaged in the fictional world. But what if we tell you that the idea of keeping a garlic clove under the pillow was not just a myth? Rather, there are many people who still sleep with a clove of garlic under their pillow. So, what are they expecting? The fairy godmother or vampires, or is there something else that has kept the tradition of keeping a garlic clove under the pillow alive? Let's find out. One of the key benefits of garlic is its immune-boosting properties. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which has antimicrobial and antiviral effects. Studies have shown that garlic may help strengthen the immune system, supporting the body's defense against infections and diseases. Regular consumption of garlic may help reduce the severity and duration of common illnesses like the common cold. Garlic has also been associated with cardiovascular health benefits. It may help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Studies suggest that garlic can have a positive impact on cholesterol levels by reducing total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Additionally, garlic has antiplatelet properties, which means it may help prevent excessive blood clotting, potentially reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Furthermore, garlic exhibits anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions such as arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and certain cancers. The sulfur compounds in garlic can help suppress inflammatory pathways in the body, potentially reducing inflammation and providing relief for those suffering from inflammatory conditions. Garlic is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants that help in improving health in several ways, and since ages we have been told about the numerous health benefits of consuming garlic, and most of these beliefs are backed by science. But what about this age-old belief? Is there any science-backed explanation to this traditional practice? This will surely leave you amazed, as this remedy has an association with the pungent and strong smell of garlic, which can work wonders for your sleep, repel mosquitoes, insects, and fix insomnia. As per the ancient remedy, it was believed that keeping a garlic clove under the pillow can help in improving sleep and also help with sleep disorders. However, the scientific explanation to this is linked to the presence of sulfur in garlic, which leads to the strong smell, and it is believed that this strong smell helps in inducing sleep and leaves a calming effect. Apart from this, keeping a bud of clove under the pillow is believed to improve the quality of sleep. But in case you hate to sleep with that strong smell, a night drink made with garlic can also help fix your erratic sleep patterns. To make this simple bedtime drink, take a pan and add 1 garlic clove, just smash it once and add 1 glass of milk. You can make this drink with a twist of sweet and savory ingredients. Once the drink is boiled, turn off the flame and transfer to a glass, add 1 tablespoon honey and a pinch of black pepper. Mix it well and drink it cold or warm to sleep well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.